Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious homemade marinara sauce. This simple recipe uses just a handful of fresh, pantry staple ingredients to create a rich, flavorful sauce that tastes far better than anything store-bought. We will combine ripe crushed tomatoes with aromatic onion, garlic, and a blend of classic Italian herbs. It is perfect for pasta, pizza, or as a base for many other dishes. Let's get started on this quick and easy culinary journey. The foundation of any great marinara sauce begins with properly sautéing your aromatics. First, warm 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a medium saucepan. Then, add your 1/2 cup of chopped yellow onion, stirring frequently for about 5 minutes until it softens and turns a beautiful golden hue. This step brings out its natural sweetness. Next, introduce 3 minced garlic cloves, cooking for just 1 minute, until their wonderful fragrance fills your kitchen. Now it is time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Carefully stir in your 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Partially cover the saucepan and let it cook for 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To complete our incredible marinara sauce, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh, finely minced basil right at the end. This adds a vibrant, fresh flavor that truly elevates the sauce. Immediately turn off the heat to preserve the basil's brightness. This recipe yields about 3 cups, or 6 1/2 cup servings of rich, homemade marinara. It is perfect for tossing with your favorite pasta, spreading on a pizza, or using as a flavorful base for countless Italian-inspired meals. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.